How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we're going to be talking about our K-Force 55 TIR Tow. So when you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your connection cables. Now you'll notice a connector here, and that's to be used with our optional Supreme control. And then you'll see that you have your main power cables, you have your aux cable to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting, and since this is a tow bar, you'll also have your stop tail turn cables as well. Now when it comes to our Supreme control, you'll see that we have our standard version and our handheld version. Now today I will be using our standard version, and then I'll hop back and show you the features of our handheld. So to get your light bar hooked up using our Supreme control, you'll simply plug your connector into your Supreme control box. And then I went ahead and hooked my unit up to power with my red cable to my positive and my black cable to my negative. Now our tow bars do come in standard amber with 2 white takedowns, 2 white alleys, and your 2 white work lights in the back with an integrated traffic advisor. But we also have our customize a light bar tool where you can lay out exactly what colors you want in your light bar as well. Now you'll see you have your slide switch here on your Supreme control. So the first position will activate the back of your light bar, the second position will activate the front of your light bar, and the third position will activate your light bar in 360 mode, so you can easily access those 3 modes off of your slide switch. And then you have your pattern changer here, so you can cycle through your different flash patterns, you can select a pattern you'd like, and then this light bar has memory recall, so you can turn your light bar off and back on, and it'll remember the last pattern it was on, and you can program a different flash pattern for each different mode. So if you switch back to your back mode and program a pattern here, and then program a pattern for your front mode, your light bar can remember up to 3 different flash patterns. And then you also have a couple flash pattern shortcuts here as well. So if you hold your pattern button down for 3 seconds, your light bar will activate its steady burn mode. And if you hold your pattern button down for 5 seconds, your light bar will activate its random flash pattern mode. So you can easily access those 2 modes off of your flash pattern switch. Now let's go over your takedown, alley, and cruise buttons. So you'll see that you have your takedown, alley, and cruise buttons here. Now when you activate those buttons, you'll notice those modules will go to steady burn. And you'll also notice with your alley button, you have your extra 2 included work lights with our Tow series light bars. And these functions do operate independently whether your light bar is flashing or not. And then when these buttons are deactivated, you'll notice those modules will go back to flashing with your light bar. And we do offer a multicolor upgrade here for your takedowns and alleys and work lights, to where when these are flashing, they will flash the warning color of your light bar, and then when you activate the functions, they will go steady burn clear. Now let's go over your traffic advisor and aux button. So I went ahead and turned my light bar around here for you to show you the traffic advising feature. Now you'll notice that you do have your additional stop tail turn lights and your additional work lights here, and we do offer a multicolor upgrade for our work lights where they will flash the warning color ordered, and then when you activate your work light, they will go steady burn clear. And then you'll see on your Supreme control you have your center out, you have your right left, and your left-right functions here. And then finally, you have your aux cable to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off of your Supreme control. And to do that, you'll simply hook your lights up to your aux cable harness. Now let's go over the functions of your Handheld Supreme. So you'll see the main difference with our Handheld Supreme is its more compact handheld design, and you'll see the slide switches replaced with 3 buttons up here. So you have your back mode, your front mode, and your 360 mode. You have your pattern changer, you have your takedown button, your alley button, your traffic advisor, as well as your cruise mode, and your aux button here to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting. Now you'll notice with the housing of your light bar that the top cover fully encapsulates the base of the light bar for a really solid seal. And then you'll notice underneath your light bar that you have extra drainage holes for even more moisture protection. And then you'll see that you get your included light bar feet here, and these are adjustable along the slide track if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then you'll see our universal gutter mount brackets as an option, as well as vehicle specific gutter mount brackets. And we also have our permanent mount bracket studs as an option. Now you'll use the existing hardware from your light bar feet with these brackets, and you'll mount these brackets like so. And this light bar will use 4 permanent stud mounts. And then finally, we have our headache rack bracket, which you can mount your light bar to and sandwich on your headache rack, like so. So that covers all of the features of our K-Force 55 TIR Tow. Make sure to check out our interactive player right below our product pictures, and also our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.